Immensely impractical mornings, making a game in OCaml. Intensely practical afternoons. PHP. It just seems good. I wanted to make a website. You can see the website idea here. Laravel, like the website itself is not complicated. So let's make it in something that seems go zoom zoom. Probably never brain. You doing sweet PHP? I was kind of absent. Yeah, we are. We're doing some PHP. I use Hugo for zoom zoom. Exactly. So I want to make something. Laravel seems like a good tool for the job. Exactly. Plus, it's good to learn new things. So, and all the Laravel people seem happy. So like that seems like a pretty good reason. Start a new job engineer. Oh, congrats. Congrats. Thoughts about Websterm versus Kitty? I like Websterm for some font stuff, but I like Kitty a lot as well. My first programming language? Python. Sweet Python, baby. Happy in the... Exactly. What? Okay. What did we do again? I think we have ASDF. We have these two users. I don't remember what our users are. Yeah, I thought I had the git ignore from Laravel. We'll just add those to the bottom as well. Lambo sounds awesome. True. What's up, Mask? Okay. I don't remember even what we had. What do we even... We just have random users right here right now. Oh my goodness. I think we just have all fake users. They're all just seed users. Okay. So I just need to make an... I need to go to like register to make a new account. Okay. Sweet. Created project. Do you follow design or do you do it directly? I don't really have a design. I'm just gonna write code and then see what happens. You know what I mean? By the way, I do. Yep. What's up, TJ? OCaml gaming mention will be tomorrow. Sorry, I gotta edit today. So this is literally like I just ran Laravel and we just have this. And like a profile page and updating this and deleting accounts and everything. And we didn't even pick the most opinionated thing yet. You know what I mean? Like we could have. We'll probably go with like. Oh, I guess did we add Breeze? I don't remember if we ended up adding that. You learn to sit down. It's a gift. Yeah. I don't know if we added anything else yet. We did add Breeze. We added Breeze a little bit. Because that's the auth features. That's how we got these. Yep. That's how we got this. We could have used like Jetstream or something. And we may end up adding some other ones later. But this was the beginning. So, yesterday then we figured out how to do post find. Whoops. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, sweet. Okay, so we still have this. So we need to do next is we need to build something for looking at posts from a user. Right? So we need to make a new way to like make a post. Oh, nice, Mark. Okay, cool. I'm doing great, Gio, my dude. Sam, it doesn't. It doesn't. So we may have to, but we basically like, we made something similar. We'll be able to go hop. We may hop into doing some of that later. We'll see. So let's just make something. So how do I make like what's the easiest way to like make a form? Let's say I just want to make a form, right? I don't know. It seems like it's supposed to, but it fails for me. So I'm not sure why it doesn't work. There's gotta be simple like form stuff, right? Where do you learn how to make memes? Also born with it, but it also helps to try a lot. Bootcamp.laravel.com. Okay. Sam, is this thing you were saying? This is the thing you were saying. Migrations, controllers. Okay. Models. Yep. And controller. Okay. Did we already made... Okay, so I think I can do make controller table post model. That's what I'm looking for. Post controller. Okay, cool. Hey, alias, who dis? I'm breaking in. Should that be plural? The model is singular. The table name is plural. Laravel use MVC? Oh, baby. Yeah, it does. How'd I get into Neovim? Usually I do it by just like typing NVIM in the command line, and then I'm inside. Your mileage may vary, though. Also need to... How do you get out of Neovim? Usually if I'm inside of Neovim, I need to get out. I usually do open this, sudo power off, and then I run that. So like that's my normal way to exit though. Now I get the stand of comedy tech. Exactly. Farming emotes. It's going good, robot. What's up, ask lol elephant? The other alternative is you can just open up 2 or 3 VS codes and then run out of RAM. Your computer will just like figure out what you can't figure out what's going on. Hey, thanks, Mars. Okay, so we need to figure out. We need to do a way to like create a post, basically. I'll try. Yeah, Jersey, that's a good strategy too. I'm on the Laravel arc. We're continuing. Get chirps, chirp controller class index, middleware, auth, and verified name chirps. Okay, so we're going to do something similar to this, right? We go to our web PHP, which we should mark that bad boy. Chirps, but this isn't chirps. This is posts. Posts. Post controller. I should really call it something else too. Kind of dumb to call it a post because like, but that's okay. It's okay. We'll do this right now. Chirp controller. That's adorable. Yeah. Stealing the bleeping via for work. Yeah. Well, just make sure that you do it in chat as well. I use Telescope, by the way. Ryan is in shambles. It's true. Is PHP now the old but new kid on the block? I don't know. We'll see. XV is easy. I know it's possible. I always forget. I don't do it. Make it posts controller. You're right. Honestly, so far I've been very impressed with the tooling, like in Telefence. It's nice. Let's test our routing controller by returning a test message from the index method, our new chirp controller. Okay, so we go to controller, post, we have index, probably illuminate if I'm right. Yeah, it's good. Take a hex feeder and searcher and call it microscope. Smart. Do you use Harpoon? I do. Yeah. When are we doing the Windows arc? We're running it right here. See? So we're working. We're not calling it that. But yes, we're still working on that project. Yeah, I know Sanctum exists. I don't really know very much about it. Don't know Fortify yet. We'll check out some of the other ones as well, yeah. Good. Thanks, Road. What are we calling it? Well, not only fam. I'm thinking about calling it circles or something related to circles. If you're still logged in from earlier, you can do this. So this is posts. I'm not logged in for some reason. Why am I not logged in? Am I logged in on this one still? Okay. Why is it just nothing? Oh, dang it. Keep reading. All right, where does I just at? Here, let's move this over here. Smart. Chirp.blade.php. Posts.blade.php, right? Livewire, and this should be users or posts. Create, okay. How do I make the background default black to everything? Next, let's create the Livewire component render form. For that, you can do make volt. Okay, we haven't done this part yet. Can I put it just here? Okay. PHP artisan. But instead of chirps, we're going to do PHP. Or we can do a make volt posts create class. Okay. Cool. So now we have users create. Sure. Let's update the Livewire component to display a form. Ooh, baby. This is in chirps create blade, okay? Posts create blade. Really? I can just write PHP inside of this thing? I can just write PHP? That's cool. Nice. That's it. Refresh your page. I messed something up for sure. Wait, where am I supposed? Maybe I'm on the wrong page. We should probably scroll back up here. Did we create Laravel for Elkin? Well, first we need to know what Laravel is, right? Bippity boppity boo. Go to routes. So I already did that part, I thought. I have posts, which is where I am. Post controller class index. Oh shoot, I put it in the wrong one. Nice. And then we need to do this as well, which is fine. Posts. I imagine it's this view, right? Oh, baby. Nice. Hello, world. Chirp it. Posts create. Nice. Okay, sweet. Yep. I just choked. No big deal. For this one, for any changes we make to replacements, we automatically refresh in the browser whenever the Vite development server is running via npm run dev. What? I didn't follow the beginning parts of this, so we did this. Do I run these at the same time? Do I run artisan serve and npm run dev at the same time? Okay. If you're not using sail, I'm not using sail. Okay, cool. So if I go back to here, right? We just go to posts. We're here. Oh, nice. So now I go to this, right? Where did I write BG black? We just delete this page. I do this. Oh my goodness. It's pretty fast too. Here. We'll put this over here. Excellent. Great job, Laravel. So far, so good. TGDV Charut. Oh, nice. This is good info here. This is good stuff like this. Okay. We'll come back to this idea for sure. Let's make programming language CGI. To be fair, that's better than let's make a programming language out of the thing that we didn't think was going to be a programming language that was supposed to just be for randomly interacting with small different things and be shipped to the browser as minimally as possible and not be a real language. Like, one of those seems better. Still feel icky about Tailwind? I don't have any thoughts about it. I don't have any thoughts about Tailwind yet. I think I want to add a link to the navigation page. Update the navigation blade PHP. Navigation blade PHP in layout. I already have a bunch of things inside here though. Chirps. Just at the bottom, I guess. Or probably before profile. Responsive navigation. This is where I'm like, what the heck is this, chat? There's so much going on in here. There's 2 spots too. What's on? We did this part already, right? We should just go back to look at this create posts. I do want to look at this. I don't care about wrapping for a bunch of these class shenanigans. DGC stop working. Exactly. What's on your mind? Okay. Submit. Store. Okay. No, Bassy, because that'll just encourage people to do it more. Pretty sure this is for internationalization. Yeah, there's a bunch of Alpine JS stuff going on as well. All right. So we go to navigation blade in layout. Where do we have dashboard here? We'll put ours just below this one. Sure, why not? We'll just copy this. Probably won't be styled correctly. This doesn't like auto format. Dang, that's a shame. Okay, sure. So we do this, right? We go to here. Chirps not found. All right, I see. Oh, smart. I got it. Right, because I have chirps. This is posts, and posts. Dashboard. Posts. Dashboard. Posts. Dashboard. Posts. Nice. Do you have a screen key? I don't. PHP Actor does format these, by the way. Oh, you know what? I probably just don't have this turned on. What happens if I do this? No matching language servers. Oh, LSP info. You'd think IntelliFence would connect to this, right? We could try, honestly. Should IntelliFence connect to this? Wait, is it now called Larafence? Does anyone know? I mean, we can try. Right. IntelliFence is PHP, you're an HTML blade. It's just a... Right, I was just wondering if, like, it happens to also say, hey, I know how to format this, right? I end up using a mix between IntelliFence and PHP Actor for this. I mean, we could use PHP Actor just for blade files, right? So, like, if we went back to LSP init, and we go to... Because what do I have? I think I have something here where I can go... What's your favorite language if not HTML? It's only HTML. That's my only one I like. Yep, so I have the tree sitter blade. I actually already have that. Let's say we do this, right? Huh, so this doesn't know how to format this. Are you sure? I don't have an HTML one, I don't think. Shotgun Haskell. Is your Lambo arrived? It's in the mail chat. There will be VODs uploaded to YouTube eventually. I haven't really used Temple. I've seen it before. Huh. Automatically edit my blade files on save. Blade formatter. Videos on demand. It's not blade.php, it's just blade. Prime is not just gonna what are you expecting to have happen? Like Prime sees that I'm doing this, so he's just gonna do the same thing? I mean, to be fair, like, you're not wrong. He has done that a lot of times. It's like, I guess it could be happening. But he's not gonna. I mean, Prime and I have been talking about PHP. I actually don't really care how this works. I actually don't care what it looks like. I just want it to run. Three server attachment goes Tailwind CSS and Tail events and HTML. Okay. Holy cow, that's slow. Is it really always that slow? This isn't even that big. There's only 100 files. Wow. Ugh. Okay, thanks, Marks. Yeah, that would be great. Because that's too painful. I'll turn it off. I know. I'm like that just hurts. That just hurts. Okay. Man, do people who write, no wonder people want like ultra wide screens when they write Tailwind. Like, what is this? I hate it. Will this put it on the same line? It doesn't. It just doesn't do anything with it. Yeah. Much nicer. Laravel braid via prettier. Yeah, I'm not saying I'm not gonna like Tailwind. I'm just saying like every time I see it, everyone just like, once you start prettier alongside this, sure. Then can I use prettier D? I don't know if how much I want to do this. Like, I don't want to spend 1,000,000 hours on this. You know what I mean? We could try prettier D. Oh, I thought I already installed this. I did already install that. What? Which, I wonder if it's not using the right PHP. Okay. I'll say this is fixed, I guess. Has not odd been bundled? I don't know. Yeah, I'm already aware. Everyone, blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. I have to have a pretty RC file now, too. Oh my goodness gracious, chat. Oops. Oh, I wonder if I just need to npm install this here because it's using prettier from this. Oh my goodness. Directory imports, not support resolving ES modules. Did you mean to import pretty? Whoops. No, I don't even know what this means. I wanted to do PHP, not JavaScript. Oh, no. 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 Is this the thing that's broken? So I need to do install prettier at 2 or something like this? How do I make it so that we only pick... Where was that? At teachers will use for blade. What, Caleb? What? Prettier plug and blade. That's what I was trying to do. Oh, dude, I freaking hate this. Who knows? Intel fence feature still. This will be on actual machine 10-minute grab. Yeah, okay. We're just gonna skip it for now. Do I not get... So I don't get any... Does, I was wondering, though, if we go to IntelliFence and we go to file types. I do want to know what it does for this. Does it figure out that we need to put blade inside of this? Okay, so it doesn't know. I'm not getting any completion from that. All right, so let's just go back to doing this part. I don't want to spend forever on this part. I just want to figure out what's going on here. And also for mobile screens. Navigation blade. What? You have to update this in 2 spots? Primary navigation menu, responsive navigation menu. Okay. Yeah. Right. I'm with you, Sam. I'm with you. OCaml over? Oh, no. Definitely not. OCaml in the mornings. Immensely impractical mornings, making a game in OCaml. Intensely practical afternoons. PHP. Right, yeah, like, that's what we're doing, you know? Ooh, okay, so let's go to, so this is in our create blade PHP. So this is create blade PHP for post. New class extends component, okay. So we didn't have this before, we probably should have. And then store rule. Well, that's pretty sweet. Okay, very cool. Rule. No, we have not spent 4 hours doing it. I already stopped. Look at that, chat. I said that's fine. See, this is what some of you guys need to learn how to do, is say, I see. I don't actually need to do this right now. And then do something else. Chirps is actually posts. But I don't think I have. I need to go to user and find a way to add this, right? But I don't have this. How did they... Nice. Sweet. Okay. That's what I thought. So I go to user. Here, this is the same thing that I did with groups, which is awesome. Chirps. I say posts. We go to here. We say post class. We put this here. We say, yeah, give me that guy. And then give me this. We go back to here. Say, okay, sweet. Now we've got posts. Now we've got create. This should be a user gets the currently authenticated user. Unfortunately, this part's broken inside of here. Feeling called out. 4 hours confirmed. Never appeared because they put brace on the new line under the function def. Bitch, look at. I don't. It's right here. Oh, this one is. But that's only because it's not formatting this file, right? It's okay. We can do this. We'll need Larastan to under this logic. Okay. Caleb, hit me with a link. Hit me with a link, and I will add it. New line squirrelies were a mistake. Agreed. So now we go to post PHP. We go to here. Probably put these at the top. Fillable. It has a message. Sure, we'll make it have a message for right now. Larastan, Larastan. Okay. Add code analysis, prove code quality. Sure. Okay, sure. Then create a PHP stand neon or PHP neon this. It might look like this. Wait, how does this go? How does this work though? Wait, PHP stan? But I don't have PHP stan, I don't think. I have PHP actor. Is this also an LSP? So I'm saying, so I get that part. Okay, so I have, let's say we have PHP stan. I see, okay. Found 16 errors. I wonder, do I need to restart this? LA's PHP, that would be pretty good. What's up, Maniac? Oh, there's also Bladestan? Nice, okay. Right, it's like a linter. I get that part, but then I'm saying got banned from a chess player, so doing good. Okay. Might need to lower your acceptable level to be less strict. Okay. Well, probably a bunch of these are true. Like Chatter's policy doesn't do anything. This is all just wrong. You know what I mean? Like these are wrong. This doesn't do anything. We should probably just delete this because we're gonna delete Chatters anyways. We don't need this. That was just, we were just exploring anyways. Stop. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oops. Okay, so now we go to post PHP. We say call to non-queued. So it doesn't know about this. I don't know how to make it not care about that. Verify email controller. I didn't even write this. I don't know. That seems fine. I mean, it's whatever. It's not that big. Not that big of a deal. Okay, so then you're saying by just having this, if I go back to my blade. What up, Connie? Yes. Still don't have this though. Bootcamp code is just messed up. No, it definitely has something with, like, that's got to be this component, right? So it just doesn't understand blade. Like, do I need to add Bladestan as well? And then add this to your Bladestan. Extensions are, but you need to include it in the PHP stand. I do want to get this stuff is worth getting set up in my mind correctly. This isn't just about getting nice formatting. This is actually about getting good. If you don't want or don't want to use, include the extension file manually in the include section. No, I want to. Yes. Yes, we gotta say. Figure out what's going on here. This is a she's all that. Teacher's given a bet. He could make language popular, even something as ugly as PHP. Now he's actually starting to fall in love with the language. Doesn't know how to tell his friends. Dang. Nice reference. I did install Larastan, I think, yeah, as well. We can make sure that we did, though, just in case. I'm pretty sure I did that one first, yeah. So let's go to nav. Okay, so we're still getting this. Oh, I did not update this though. Configure your path to your blade views. I think I need to do the includes thing, right? If you run PHP consent, Bladestan will just work fine. If not, you need to include it here. It literally asked though, my LSP just asked if it should do something with it. So it feels like it does. But dang, that kind of stinks. Should have at return has many generics. Oh, I see. Just to show the lint errors as diagnostics. Okay. You're going to say Go, obviously better. Okay. Let me know how long it takes to make this in Go. And then we can talk. Okay. Okay. It could also be just that I'm not doing something correctly with PHP Actor. We could also just remove it from here is fine too and not have it inside of these. It just feels like let's go back to our posts model. Oops, post model. So, all right, we'll try this part, okay? Yeah, that's good. Okay, yeah, let's test it out. Okay. Actually, we can just do it here, right? So we should be able to say user all, and we should have some users again. Great. Oh, I should really seed a user that's just like the simple one, right, as well? Like where I can do user seed, seeder, database seeder, right? Can I just do user create? Why can I not create? Can I not create one here? The pro to PHP agriculture, but not sure if it works with Volt. Yeah, okay. Okay, interesting. Interesting, Rob. I'll check it out later. Yeah, it could be Volt things. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. User factory. Interesting. But that seems weird because other places where I import model, I don't know why I don't have the other thing. Like, why do I need to use factory here to get this? Whereas other places when I just call user, it has those things. But is this not the same thing? Yeah, it just didn't show up in my autocomplete, so I got confused. Because, like, there's nothing here. Right? User query create. Interesting. Might need the IDE helper package. Okay, interesting. This one. Someone had sent me this earlier as well. Complete PHP docs directly from the source. I don't think we did this yet. We can try. That sounds good. Okay. With all dependencies allow upgrades. Yeah, we can do that. That's fine. Okay, cool. Let's try. We'll try again. Interesting. I don't know. I mean, we don't even know for sure this is gonna work, right? Like, it could fail, right? Oh no, it looks like it works. Interesting. Okay, I'm not sure why that seems kind of weird. When we specify what you want created, same for writing tests. Right. Yeah. No. So I tried to create the same user twice, which obviously isn't good. It's not perfect, but it's help. Okay. Yeah. We'll figure it out. I'm not super worried about that part, but okay. So now we have a fresh database. We also have all right, we got to do this. So this will say I'm logged in already. Next time the same user. Nice. Hello world. Post. Rules rule property on post dot create. This validate. Okay. Required string max 255 message. Did I mess something up with that? Let's go back to here. Message fillable. Okay. We'll hash an unhashed password. Laravel is a 2010. Yes. So seeding giving test data. Yeah. So you can basically just like recreate a completely new database with some example data inside, which is really nice. Could use jQuery on the front end. I can't wait to have so many more users than you guys. It's going to be so funny. Did we forget? I think we never did this. Let's go check this. This is in post create blade. Post create blade. Okay, so we did do this part. Auth user posts create this message. Wait, why did we say this message is nothing? Oh, because that's where it goes to get closed. So we're gonna submit to store. Here's our message. What's on your mind? We click submit for this. Let's go back to dashboard. We'll log out and log back in just to make sure. Okay, nice. Hello? Post. Missing. Rules property on post.create. Okay. I don't know what that means. I mean, I thought that this is that's what we put this here for. Media parameter type needs to be question mark media except the default null value. There's no media stored on the post though. HTMX is great. Oh, what up, Spyro? Didn't see you. Sorry. What's up, buddy? Good to see you. jQuery for millennials. It is the old way, but still better. True. Nice. Can't wait. Missing the attribute. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like this better. But we'll see. You need Livewire rule, not Illuminate. Oh, thank you. Good call. Good call. Good call. Livewire rule. Smart. Smart. Nice. So now we have a post. Another one. We can go to a Tinker. And we can do posts all. And we should have use app models post. Oh, shoot. It's just post all. I keep forgetting that the model is singular. Nice. Message. Another one. We're there. Didn't find that statically. Yeah. Honestly, I'm not sure how much the type checker stuff's actually working inside of here. I might just turn PHP actor off as well, because I'm not sure that I actually like... Like, it's not giving... How much is it giving me? Like, it's not really giving me anything, you know what I mean? It's just saying, I don't know what these things are. It's not even that helpful. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I might just turn it off inside of Blade. Inside of Blade template is tough to find a reference and not accurate. If you use classes full on, it works better. So you're saying without, so not doing like this sort of thing? Not Blade. Yeah, which is fine. That's okay. So maybe we will just turn PHP actor off because it's kind of just lying, which is okay, and we can just use other completion methods. You have to use real class based. It's the most uncomfortable thing I've seen. I actually think HTMX is really good for certain projects. Yeah. What do you mean, Caleb? What's a real class based? Separate files and pass in the view it belongs to, and then import the class and render. Oh, you're saying like because I have this for other ones. Render. I think. Like this. This one. I'm doing this render and I return a view. So this is the like standard way to do it for PHP land. And you get a lot better, like basically all the tooling works way better for this, which is unsurprising. That's a Blade component, but similar for Livewire. Oh, true. Okay, true. All right, yeah, let's read. There's 2 links there, but that's okay. Livewire. Okay, make Livewire, create post. Or you per kebab case mate. Which, I'll be honest, I do love me some kebabs. Yeah, I can see that, Spyro. I can see that. You may use namespace. Yep. Okay, make Livewire post, stock create post, inline components. Okay. All right. I mean, it's just, yeah, okay, I guess this makes sense. That's not weird, actually. I should have expected this. That's fine. You can create this by adding inline, omitting the render method. To reduce boilerplate, you can omit the render and we'll use own underlying render, which returns a view of the conventional name. Oh, cool, okay. Cool. None of this Volt stuff, okay. Yeah, honestly, I don't know what Volt is. It was just one of the things in the guide that I was trying. So, because this one says use Volt. Honestly, I feel like I like this a little bit better in Volt, but like I also don't feel like I need to use Volt. You know what I'm saying? Like, but okay, so it's possible to use Livewire without using Volt. That's what I'm hearing right now, right? Like this is Livewire with just components here. And I just do this stuff here. You don't get autocomplete? Volt's pretty new. Yeah. Okay. Right, that makes sense, Spyro, yeah. Or at least I could do only some spots with Livewire or something. Yeah. You can use with, okay. Wire key, adding this to wire key. Without wire key, Blade won't be able to probably match old elements. Yep. I've seen that before. Wire model title. Oh, cool. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that all makes sense. Oh, sweet. Okay, so save. Oh, nice. Okay, I like this. Yeah, this seems... I feel like I do like this strategy better than Volt. Like, this part just, like, pretty much makes sense to me. And, like, I also like that this is, like, standard PHP files, which just makes things a lot easier. Blades and just UI UX stuff. Yeah, which makes sense. Yeah, it's just literally rendering the data, right? Like, it is truly a template then. Livewire is so cursed. Well, then we're definitely going to keep using it. Oh, nice. Very cool. Need to pass dynamic values. Oh, cool. Nice. That's fun. Remember that full page components will use your application layout. Okay, this is pretty cool. So then I just have regular old Blade, simple Blade here, and simple PHP. Nothing is cursed to the man making the game engine. Oh, exactly, Bosch. When you've been down to the depths like me, inertia. I thought, isn't inertia the one that's like so that you can use JS? Like, I don't want to use Vue or React. I don't want to do that. I'll build a lot of single page components in Livewire. The Livewire component can be given to a route and there's no need for separate controller. Okay, interesting. Content regarding Laravel. Nice. Good, then I can read it and then I can learn real fast. I feel like I'm already actually going pretty fast. Okay, so let's get rid of Volt. How can I just want Volt. I want Volt to go away, right? How can I just, because I imagine now I have this inside of my, like, Composer lock. I'm sure I have Volt in here now, right? So I want to remove it. Composer, how do I how do I kill it? RM, Volt, Livewire. Remove. Laravel /Volt. Okay. And then, so then that's fine. Yeah, I want it gone sort of like from the project, right? In the sense that, like, I guess it's still probably in my lock file, but it shouldn't be here anymore, right? Oh no, it's in here still. What? Why am I still... Something else depends on Volt? Laravel Volt is not required in your Composer JSON and has not been removed. Oh, it's Livewire Volt, chat. Composer, remove, Livewire Volt. Chat, just big lies. Big lies. Yep, so now we go to web PHP. We go to here. We're gonna handle this. We're gonna go to post controller. We're gonna go here and we'll just delete this. We're not even gonna have it anymore. I don't know if it... So where else doesn't it like this? In auth. I mean, I guess I don't have to do it, right? Oh, maybe I still need it. Maybe we still need it because some of the other pages that we're using are using it. Those can change to Livewire. So it's there. I don't think it is. That's okay. We don't necessarily have to remove it. I was just going to remove it, but if something is using it, then it's fine. This should fail now, I'm pretty sure. So we can just do composer. What does it require? Livewire. We'll just require it back for now, and then we'll leave it. And see if this hopefully still works. You go to dashboards. Yeah, so posts is not defined. So we need to go back and make a new route for this, right? Or a new controller. Route get. But these are all... It's always good to start with a technical debt. Well, it's not technical debt if it's doing something for me, which is that this... I don't care that something's using Volt, right? Like, that doesn't bother me. I don't know what... I'm not sure what you're saying, Monty. Oh, you're saying this can be route get. Like this. Yeah, they do. I'm pretty sure they need Volt. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. So that part's totally fine. Like, that's the stuff from Breeze. We'll let it go there, and then we'll come back and maybe get those later if we need to. We don't super need to. I don't really have a strong preference either way. Like, it doesn't really bother me at all. Okay, so then what we need to do is we need to make... Now we need to make a new... we need to make a new... Let's go back to here, creating chirps. So what do we need to do differently now? We're going to make a model, right? We're going to make a controller. But this time we're not going to do it with Volt, right? We need to make a different thing here. So this would be what? Make Livewire instead. I like it. I like it so far. It's awesome. It's Diego. Hey, thanks. How do I make this with Livewire? Livewire make? Okay. So I need to do Livewire make posts create. View already exists. Create blade PHP. Okay, so let's actually remove this. And we'll run this again. Nice. Full page Livewire component. Right, I don't, but this has Volt on it, so now I'm confused. I don't want to do it with Volt. Ignore the wheeled Volt link. Okay, nice. I was like, that's confusing. That seems the exact opposite of what I wanted to do. Full, why Laravel? I think I missed Laravel. It looks like something totally different. Yeah. Well, I mean, it's only day 3, but pretty much I want to build something with it, so we're gonna try it out. You can actually in file routes. Right. Okay. Yep. So we want to do something like this. Let's go to which is in web, right? Yep. So now we have this, which is posts. Still gonna do this. Okay, we go to posts, and now this one doesn't exist. Post controller doesn't exist. Sweet. So that's good. That's kind of what I expected to see because we don't have a controller yet. We deleted that one. Oh, I guess we didn't need to do that. Make controller model post. Post controller. Post controller. So now this one is return view It was just posts. Don't need the code for using the full page. Oh, I see. Okay. All right, so let me go read more closely then for this one as well. Full page. Create post component will be rendered as a full page component. But I don't think that's what I want to do. Right? Because like I don't think I want it to be a full page thing, right? Like don't I want it to just show up right here with the rest of the things? Livewire just wires it up without a controller. Kitty to Western was just some random font thing. Full page will still inherit your default blade layout. Okay, great. So not full page. So if we change this to here and we go oh, but I don't think I want to create post class. Okay, but this one with the controller, I can do create and store and show and edit individually, right? So I'm kind of confused. What? Don't these do different things? Do I need to make a bunch of these components? Yeah, use the one you commented out, but change index to store or whatever you want. Use the one you commented out. Yeah, use the one you commented out, but change index. Okay. I like one controller per resource though. Like just conceptually on my first pass. I like that all the stuff goes inside of one thing. You want a controller plus Vade? Right, like I think I like this one better. Taylor likes tiny classes. Gotcha. Okay, so now I don't have anything in posts, right? Because there's nothing here. Livewire posts create. I guess it's probably in here. Create. So if I do like return hello world. What happens if I do this? Does this show up or anything? One controller, multiple routes. Oh, do I need to be running... do I need to be running this too? Okay. Livewire make creates a class create post and a blade file called create post. Have an output? No, because you have to output that response in your template somewhere. That's what I thought this did. Livewire posts dot create. I thought that these two things lined up. But I don't know. That was just literally because I saw create and create. That's literally that's as far as I got. Livewire make create post and a blade file called create post. No, you would have to route something to the create method in the controller. Okay. Create post blade PHP. You can create component that doesn't need Livewire, but if you're creating Livewire class for each of the CRUD operators, then it'll just route directly to Livewire component. Okay. Make a controller. Tie it to route resource with name in it. Call name in blade file. Remember the link to the resource. All right, I think I need to not look at this one because this one is confusing me because it uses different stuff. But let me go back to. Let's start at the top of here, and we're gonna work our way down. And maybe delete a bunch of other stuff too. Let's just restart. There's nothing in those that. That's why bootcamp code is messed up. Yeah. Okay. We'll come to that part in a second. Resource controllers. How far down is? Where is that? Oh, it's in controllers. Okay. If you're going full on, I pretty much won't ever need a controller. Okay, great. Okay, that's cool. So let's go ahead and just go. Yeah, yep. We'll do. Oh, Laravel docs. That makes sense. Okay. All right, one sec. Let's remove a bunch of the ones that we just had. So let's go RM, resources, views, Livewire, create blade post, RM, resources, views, Livewire posts, create, RM, resources, views, posts, blade. Shouldn't that be in the git ignore as well? Create. Yeah, so let's remove that one as well. Probably, and let's also do this. That's fine. That one's fine. Deleted a bunch here. Deleted. A bunch of these are fine. Deleted. That's good. Oh, right. I accidentally committed my database there. Navigation. Okay, sure. So let's do this. Okay. Sorry. All right. So let's start back again. Do you use terminal inside Neovim or do you use tmux? I use terminal inside Neovim for API routes. Okay. Okay. Cool. So writing controllers with can I start here instead? We have this make Livewire counter. This will generate 2 new files, counter PHP, counter.blade. Okay, writing the class replaces contents with the following. Yep, we already tried this part, and we already got this kind of thing going. We're writing the view. Yep, register a view for the component. Yep. Create a template layout. Okay, so we did this part already as well. We did that all at the beginning. Okay. We did that all at the beginning. So now we can start in components. Okay. So I do like kebab case. I'm not going to lie. I like kebab case better. Hey, so make Livewire, create post. You know what I should really do is we should just make like a telescope thing for this. It doesn't even have to be. Nothing like a good old PHP Lua. Basically, like, there's a few things that we want to do, right? So let's just do like M artisan. So let's go Vim UI select, and we'll have Livewire create post. I want to do something like this. System can do this, right? So I can do ops. Text is true. Wait. Standard out. Does table sort? Can't remember in place, yeah. Result. Call local result. A nil value. 17. Nil. What the beans? Whoops. Wait, what? How am I getting whoops? One sec. Sorry. Okay, we're coming. Oh my goodness. Metami, what's up, buddy? Sorry, I was in the zone. Go help Prime. He needs my help. No. Dingus, thanks for the 18 months. Appreciate it. You can check my keyboard. Oh, nice. Someone said it already. I'm pretty sure sending viewers over PHP against you. Yeah. That's how deep the love goes. And then banned. And banned. Why is this? What does Vim UI select on choice? Any. Prompt the user to select choice. Choice item. What? Am I crazy? What am I doing wrong here? Livewire create post. Nil. Livewire create post. Very suspicious. Where is this nil coming from in the middle? This is getting called twice? Who messed up Vim UI? Is something scuffed with my Vim.ui select? Okay, that's pretty weird. Is it not weird? On line 5. Oh, this part's good. Do I need to put a prompt or something in here? Is it getting confused? Function. Item or index? Okay, that's pretty weird. You're right. Okay, so I don't know why that's happening. We have not shaved very many yaks. Okay, great. So let's just, whatever. I don't know why that's happening. Let's go like this. So here's why I wanted to do this, because now we can go, let's say we go back to like our post or something like this, right? So I wanted to just be able to do, we need to delete this. So then we should make this into some key maps. What do I have on? Nice. Okay, so we can make a PHP key map. I think it's just called TJPHP, right? Yeah. All right. So maybe the input somehow triggering select. Yeah, I don't know why though. I don't know why it would be doing that, right? So now we have Livewire create post. We want to have just create post, right? Livewire component. Boom. Component created. Nice. Class here, just like this, right? So now we can fuzzy find over the common artisan things that we do. Right? That's a good one. So anyways, so this is just like, then I can write these really easily, right? So then we can have local artisan. We can just yoink all of this, put this here, and put this here like this. We can say artisan name. Artisan, you're making Vim things. You're gonna blatantly steal. Nice, exactly. Oh, dang. Hey, thanks, Popar. And a tier 2. Oh, and thanks, Ryan, as well. Appreciate the gifty to McCheesy. No double dipping. Exactly. Wait a second, Sparrow. How would you know? Feature artisan will return a list of all the commands. Right. I don't want all of them. I just want the ones that I like here. Although I guess, because I might make some of them shorter. This is also not create post. It should be create Livewire make Livewire. Right, like this. Something like this. Then I can just go here, make Livewire, boom. We have our component, gotta boom, beep, boom, boom, boom. Right? We can cancel that and drop it as well. Okay, cool. Stare. Stop banning the people that are gifting subs, Nightshade. It's the opposite of a good move. It's the Nightshade, it's going to affect your 0% rev share. Dang. rev shares. Okay, so now we should have create post and create post, right? Sweet. Hey, we ran out of time on this VOD, and apparently I didn't even go pee or do something random, so just watch the next video when it comes out tomorrow, okay? Shout out to my editor for putting this in.